Hi guys, it's me Jimmy Egg. So the question is that is 2.5 year diploma worth it if you don't know in Singapore and Malaysia after graduating from high school, or basically the 11th year or the A level. Now in the internationally world we call it the 12th year. After you graduate from the 12th year of your school, then you just go to the university or you go to the college, which is called the 13th year. Before in Hong Kong we just have called HKCE exam or Form 5, which was equal to 11th year. But due to the international academic standard, Hong Kong student was very hardly accepted in the international university because they want the student to have high school diploma with a 12th year of study. Basically Hong Kong was having 11 years of study or 13 years of study, then they go to university. So the problem was that now after in 2011 or 12, they changed the academic system, but in Malaysia they are still using the old system of the 11-year system. So basically it means, let me give you a little bit context. After graduating your primary school of 6 years and then the secondary school of 5 years, 6 plus 5 equal 11, then you just can go to the 1 year foundation diploma or 1 year pre-foundation studies, or you can go with the 2.5 year diploma. So most of the time student will just go with the 1 year foundation diploma, then they will do the 3 year bachelor, or rather than just doing a foundation diploma, they will go with a 2.5 year diploma and then they will do the final year 1 year bachelor. So it depends. My personal bet is that it's better go with a 2.5 year diploma. That is really practical. Bachelor, how to say bachelor, is more of an academic study rather than practical. I was working in one of the cargo company. I remember, back in 2010, there was a Malaysian and Singapore guy. He was my boss, very nice man. So I asked him, how the hell do you end up in a so big company with a very good management position? He told me that he did a 2.5 year diploma, but he didn't have a bachelor. If you want a bachelor, he have to do 1 extra year, but he really do not need a bachelor. He did a diploma in logistics. So I was really surprised that the 2.5 year diploma is really worth it. If we are thinking of doing Malaysia, Singapore, 100% I will recommend over bachelor, because it is really practical. If you're doing a web development diploma, it's really practical. If you're doing marketing diploma, it's really practical. They really do not teach you the bullshit of a bachelor academic. I hate academic study, to be honest. There's nothing soft corner for academic. Yes, 2.5 year diploma is really worth it. So I will just include one link. Just check out their new era in Malaysia web development diploma. It costs you around how much? 20,000 ringgit. You just do the currency by a conversion by yourself. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. Yes, it's worth it. It's Jimmy. Bye bye.